Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, guys. Beautiful hot weekend in Sydney this weekend. 33 degrees Celsius today, 36 degrees Celsius tomorrow, 37 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then we got Australia Day on Tuesday, don't we, mate? Australia Day? Yes?
Yes.
Good boy. So we're gonna go down to a lagoon. It's about 50 minutes drive from our house. It's called Stuart Park. Take Cooper for a swim. I'm definitely gonna have a swim. I'm just waiting for Nui. So enjoy, guys.
Where are we going, baby?
To the beach.
We're going to the beach. Hi, Cooper. We're going to the beach. Yes? Yes. Let's go.
Playing at Stuart Park. Really busy day. I suggest if you come here on a Saturday afternoon on a hot day, come a little bit later. We got here at 4 o'clock and it's absolutely packed. Hard to get parking. It's a beautiful day here. Stuart Park Wollongong. Cooper, are you having a good day?
Yes.
Are you having a good day?
Yes.
Are you at the beach with the family?
No.
Say beach.
No.
Good boy. We're here at the beach, Stuart Park, with the family, having fun. Thanks for watching so far. Thanks for the likes, the comments. There'll be more coming soon. More from Australia, more from Thailand. Take care. Goodbye.